Let's take a look at explicit backing fields, which is another new and experimental feature in Kotlin 2.3. Let's say that you're working with a class like this, which contains a mutable type that it has to be able to modify internally, like the mutable state flow in this property, but then it wants to expose that same value to the users of the class as a read-only type, like this state flow property here. The classic pattern is to have two separate properties for essentially the same value, and you'll also need to give them different names, for example by using an underscore prefix for the private version of the variable. Let's see how we can make this nicer using the new feature. Instead of defining two properties, I'll define just one property with the public name and read-only type. Then I can customize the backing field that's used privately within the class by using the field keyword, and initializing it as previously by creating that mutable state flow like this. The public-facing API of our class is still the exact same, but within the class, we know that this is actually a mutable state flow. So whenever we try using that property, it will receive a smartcast to the more specific mutable type so that we can easily modify the values. I didn't have to create two separate properties, and I don't have to deal with a separate name which starts with an underscore.